Let's talk about the craziest tool from SellerSprite. By using Keyword Explorer, you can find your competitor's ASIN and each single keyword conversion rate for specific ASIN. Let's suppose my ASIN got ranked for maybe 50 keywords and each keyword conversion rate for any ASIN. You can detect all of them by using SellerSprite Chrome extension. Now, we are going to analyze and find out at the end everything related to this conversion. This is maybe years and years. I also wanted to find this kind of the tool can show me each single keyword conversion rate for specifically ASIN. Now I'm going to analyze on my screen. So I am on Amazon search page. Now we are going to analyze baby playpen. Now I come here and we see Keyword Explorer Chrome extension from SellerSprite. You can see from here. And it's also available when you go to Tools. On the Tools menu, you can find the Keyword Explorer tool as well. Meanwhile, it can help you to query data for weekly or monthly, whatever the time frame you would like to see. Now, the easiest way, come to product search page on the Amazon, and then we are going to see Keyword Explorer tool from SellerSprite. You see it from here. And you see from here, just whatever we need, just click it here. We take this ASIN and put on the backend our tool and they show you the keyword. This is the data, like week 12 data, last week data, and we query 50 ASIN, 50 keywords, and you are gonna see all the keyword metrics and the search volume, etc. here. The first of all, baby playpen for babies and the toddler, etc. You see from here, this is the high converting keyword for this specific ASIN. And this is a weekly search volume meanwhile. And how search trend is going to change, you can see from here, search frequency rank, etc., etc. But the most and the most important thing is here, this one, conversion rate and the click-through rate. It means conversion rate. Baby playpen, this specific ASIN conversion rate is R2 finishing this ASIN. Its conversion rate for baby playpen is 18%. And the next one is playpen. This keyword conversion rate is 14%. And this next keyword conversion rate is 11%. You can see all those keywords, 50 keywords, this our particular ASIN has ranked. All of those ASINs, all those keywords conversion rate. You can see all of them from here. If you go down and you are going to see more and more the keywords for this tool. Meanwhile, if you go a little bit right, you are going to see 3 most clicked products and their click concentration, conversion concentration, etc., etc. But what I wanna say here is this is the very important. Now let's change it to monthly, February, and get the keywords. The 50 for weekly. Now they are 221 for monthly. For February, our ASIN ranked, and we can indicate conversion rate of 221 keywords for specifically this ASIN. Meanwhile, I can extend and show conversion rate of all the variation listing as well. You see from here, this ASIN has many variations. Now I'm gonna activate it. Let's see, is the keywords, yeah. There are 3 additional keywords, 224 right now, and you can see all those the keywords conversion rate for specifically this ASIN. So likewise, you can go to Amazon and find any maybe bed sheet 4 corners, whatever the keyword you would like to see. Now we are gonna see this big seller, bestseller. Now I wanna find out the keywords of this particular ASIN. I just grab its ASIN. Of course, you can click Keyword Explorer and go to do it. Now I wanna use another method. I grab its ASIN, come to SellerSprite, put to Keyword Explorer. Meanwhile, it's let's check another time frame, maybe 2024 December, and search now. Let's see how many keywords they had. 170 keywords, 17 keywords, and those keywords we are gonna see here, and their click-through rate or conversion rate we are gonna see from here. Okay, guys, by using this tool, you can understand how many keywords you have and their conversion rate. This is very, very important to understand the conversion rate. What's your conversion rate or your competitor conversion rate for specific keywords? Again, maybe this ASIN conversion rate is like sheets, straps. This ASIN conversion rate is 19%, but another ASIN conversion rate is like 8%. So it means you are way more better. So this is a very important tool you can utilize to find out what's going on in the market. Now, I want to compare one ASIN with this ASIN to understand what's going on in the market. So let's go to Amazon and find a similar product exactly to ours. Yeah, I think this is the price is similar, review is more. And grab its ASIN, come to Keyword Explorer and open one more Keyword Explorer. And meanwhile, I'm going to compare last week. Put the ASIN here, search now. So we are going to get the keywords. And this is the week last week. Yeah, that's all correct. Now I'm going to compare. This ASIN has sheet holders. And for sheet holders, this ASIN conversion rate is 16%. And I'm going to check next one. Sheet holders, this ASIN conversion rate is 7.72%. And another keyword, sheet straps, this is 10%. Let's go to sheet straps. Yeah, its conversion rate is 13%. So it's, you see, for this ASIN, this keyword is way more better because its conversion rate is pretty high. Fitted sheets haul, and a 20% conversion rate. Fitted sheets haul, maybe, fitted sheets, sorry, I couldn't find, but the metrics are crazy here. You can understand conversion rate of each ASIN for specifically any keywords. Please, you analyze for your product and your competitor and let me know what do you think. Thank you for watching. See you on next videos.